Hey everyone, do you remember that sound? Click click click. That era when BlackBerry wasn't just a phone, it was the ultimate status symbol for security and style. That golden age when the QWERTY keypad was absolute heaven for typists. A lot of people say that era is dead and gone, but today's video is the ultimate clapback to all the critics. Get ready, because the king is back. BlackBerry is returning, but they aren't just bringing back nostalgia, they are bringing future-proof technology. Yes, today we are breaking down the upcoming BlackBerry Athena 5G. A device that is the perfect mix of business-class looks and gaming-class performance. Can this phone reclaim its lost throne? Can a physical keyboard survive in a touchscreen world? Stick around until the very end to get the answers, and a deep dive into every single spec. Design and display. First off, let's talk about the in-hand feel. True to its name, the BlackBerry Athena 5G feels royal and premium. Unlike the fragile glass sandwich phones of today, this brings back that classic rubberized textured back in a solid metal frame. It offers that legendary grip. This thing is not slipping out of your hands. Now, you might be thinking, if it has a keypad, the screen must be tiny, right? Wrong. The company has cleverly used a bezel-less design here, to fit a 5.5-inch AMOLED display. And the best part, this isn't an old-school panel. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you are banging out emails or watching high-def videos, everything is going to be butter smooth. Camera setup. Historically, BlackBerry was always considered a step behind in the camera department. But the Athena 5G is ready to rewrite that history. On the rear, you get a modern, powerful dual-camera setup. The main sensor is a massive 108 megapixels with OIS. That means even if your hands are shaky, your photos and videos will come out crisp and steady. Alongside that, you get an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. For selfies and video calls, there's a discreet punch hole at the top housing a sharp 32-megapixel front camera. Performance. Let's get to the heart of the matter, the engine under the hood. Can this phone handle modern, heavy apps? The answer is, it will crush them. Powering the BlackBerry Athena 5G is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This is a flagship 5G chipset that won't just give you blazing fast internet speeds, it will handle heavy gaming and multitasking without breaking a sweat. And, of course, BlackBerry is world famous for security. You'll get hardware-level protection with DTEK security, and features like Privacy Shade pre-installed. Basically, your data is locked in a digital vault that is nearly impossible to hack. Battery backup. To run all these powerful features in that 120Hz screen, you need serious juice. The Athena 5G comes packed with a massive 5700 mAh battery. We all know how legendary BlackBerry's battery optimization is. Combine that with this capacity, and you are easily looking at 2 days of battery life. And if you do run dry, no stress. Inside the box, you get a 65-watt super fast charger that will top you up in minutes. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question. How much will it hurt your wallet, and when can you get your hands on it? According to leaks and market trends, the BlackBerry Athena 5G is being positioned as a flagship killer. In the market, we are expecting a price tag between $400 to $500. Considering the specs, that is incredibly aggressive pricing. As for the release, leaks suggest this phone will hit the global and USA markets by mid-2026. So guys, that's the full rundown on the upcoming BlackBerry Athena 5G. Here is my question for you. In a world where everyone is glued to touchscreens, would you actually buy a 5G phone with a physical keypad? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.